Hello guys, this is Aryan. In this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about my dream car. Number 1. My dream car is a bright red Tesla Model S. Number 2. It is sleek, shiny and super fast. Number 3. The car has comfortable seats. Number 4. I want my dream car to have automatic doors. Number 5. It will include a music system to play all my favorite songs. Number 6. I want it to be an electric car to save fuel. Number 7. My family can travel with me in my dream car. Number 8. It will have a spacious trunk for our bags. Number 9. I dream of going on long trips with it. Number 10. My dream car will make my rides happy and exciting. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.